Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. I'm starting this vlog off pretty weird. I was just in the middle of taking product photos for my new items that are coming to my shop on Friday. It is Wednesday. Welcome to another vlog. Okay, so here's one of my new items. I'm adding baby tees to the shop. This one just says Angel with a little halo. It's giving me very Bratz doll vibes. And then I have a white one. It just says Crybaby with a crying cherub. It's so cute. But yeah, I already took pictures in both of the baby tees, and I just took like mirror pictures. But yeah, they came out pretty cute. But I need to edit them. But yeah, I'm about to change into the next top. I literally started this video while I was in the middle of doing that. But welcome to my channel. But yeah, anyways, let me get changed. Okay, so I'm changed. This is the comfort color tee in ivory, and it just has the sun and the moon, and it's super cute. Also have it in this baby blue color. But yeah, I'm going to get my sister to take product photos of me. I think we're going to do it in my room. So you guys can watch. Okay, so I'm done taking product photos. I'm going to edit those either tonight or tomorrow, but I know I want to start posting by tomorrow so people can know what is coming out. And my mirror is now over here because, as you can see, I got a new shelf. So this is how that is looking. And I put my old shelf where my mirror used to be. So yeah, it's a whole lot of mess. I'm still getting that organized. So yeah, it's just a lot going on, but I'm really excited to expand my inventory and just watching it grow. Okay, so it's a few hours later. I have a huge headache, but I got some pizza. She's right in here. This is how she looks like, just a spinach pizza with some jalapeno peppers. It's kind of cold, so I need to go warm this up, but y'all, it's so good. I get it with Alfredo sauce instead of pizza sauce, but so good. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. I knocked out last night. I had a huge headache. I don't know why, but it's a new day. I kind of have a lot to do today, so we need to hurry up and get our day started. So yeah, let me get my butt out of bed. Y'all, I know it looks crazy, but it's really good. I like for it to be like kind of still frozen. So good. But I'm going to edit the pictures that I need to post today, and I just found my Apple Pencil. It was under my bed. But anyways, let me get to editing while I eat my acai bowl. Okay, so it's a bit later. I finished editing those photos, and if you hear a lot of noise, my mom is babysitting. Can't do nothing about it. But yeah, I want to show you guys my to-do list for today. Okay, so here she is. I just have vlog day, coffee and breakfast, edit product photos, post on Instagram, post on TikTok, update website, create an email campaign, and work on orders. And then I'm going to do Friday's to-do list on the same page, but I'll do that tomorrow. I'm about to make my coffee, and then we're gonna get to work. I have a new one because y'all know I drink this like nearly every single day. But anyways, I uploaded the picture of the baby tees, and people are loving them so far, and it makes me so happy because I just think they're so cute. Now for the best part. She's lovely. And then like when you mix it in so the foam can go down a bit. So good. The best coffee recipe ever. period. Okay, I kind of hate that that's right there now, but anyways, we're about to start working on some orders. Okay, so we are finished with this sweatshirt. So cute. Okay, so we're on to the next order. This person is getting the He Is Not the Sun, You Are design. Okay, so we are done with this one. So cute. Love the brown on brown. Good afternoon, guys. It's Friday and it's also launch day and I'm really not feeling in the mood to work, but you know, we're gonna push through. I still need to go make me my cup of coffee and then I'll be launch day ready. But yeah, I have like 20 minutes. Here we have my little launch day fit, just this small business owner hoodie and some sweat shorts. Yeah, just keeping it simple today because it's one of those days where I just feel like staying in my bed and watching movies, but we're not going to. Okay, so here's my to-do list for today. I just have vlog, coffee and breakfast, launch at 2, pack finished orders, work on orders, and post on IG. I'm about to make my coffee right now, and then I have to hurry up because I have like 5 minutes to launch. Okay, got my coffee, and we are ready. I have 1 minute. Okay, so it's like 5 o'clock now. I've been doing a whole lot of nothing. It's been a pretty chill day, but the launch went pretty well. I'm not going to work on any of the orders until like Monday so I can take the weekend off, but I'm about to make me some food. I want some pasta, so we're going to do a little cooking with me moment. Okay, so here are tonight's ingredients. I have the bow tie pasta, prego, roasted garlic, parmesan, Alfredo sauce, and some basil pesto. So let's get Miss Thing cooking. Okay, I got my pot of water. Don't judge the pot. It's been through a lot. But I'm just gonna pour the salt in and we're just gonna let her come to a boil. Guys, this is so good. I've been loving pasta. It's a very quick and easy meal, and I'm watching The Circle. Guys, it's Sunday. I usually don't film on Sundays, but this vlog is all over the place. So here I am filming on Sunday because I didn't really film throughout the week. And I'm about to go out to a dinner. Just wanted to show you guys my little fit. This top is from Pretty Little Thing. These are Princess Polly jeans. And my sheets and stuff are in the wash. So that's why they're not on my bed. And then I'm wearing Air Forces. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I may vlog when I'm out, so we shall see.